everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Citizens Bank online banking account. So first of all, what you have to do is click on the search bar, type in www.citizensbank.com, press enter. Now you will be led to the official website of Citizens Bank. Initially you will be led to the home page. You will be able to find various options over here. Over here you will be able to find the option for login. So what you have to do is click on it. Now you'll have to select the account that you want to log into. You'll be able to find the section for select a secure login. Simply click on this field. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the account that you want to log into. After doing that, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the official login interface of Citizens Online Banking. From here, you'll be able to log into your online banking account. All you have to do is enter your user ID and password. If you're new to the online banking, you can also enroll by clicking on this option, Enroll Now. But if you already have the account, first of all, click on the field of user ID. Now enter the user ID over here. After entering the user ID, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you want this browser to remember the user ID, check on this box, remember user ID, that you can see right over here. If you have any trouble logging in, simply click on this option, trouble logging in or password change. If not, simply enter the credentials. After entering the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Citizens Bank online banking account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.